New Delhi severe storms with winds and floods caused by the approaching cyclone Mичуанг caused chaos in the city of Chennai, South India. Streets in most parts of the city, home to about 12 million people, were flooded as the severe cyclonic storm pounded the Indian coast ahead of an expected landfall on Tuesday. Parts of Chennai, the state capital of Tamil Nadu, and neighboring districts received nearly an inch of rain overnight as the powerful storm moved toward India's southeast coast in the Bay of Bengal. Chennai Airport has suspended operations until at least Monday evening due to heavy rain flooding the runway and strong winds blowing. Airport authorities cancelled 70 flights and transferred more than 30 others to Kempegowda Airport in neighboring Bengaluru. Videos posted online showed airport ground crew members nearly knee-deep in water checking on parked planes. Indian media showed videos of many cars being swept away by floodwaters on the streets of Chennai. Flooding also forced the cancellation of at least 6 trains in the coastal country. State authorities issued a warning before the storm made landfall Tuesday morning. Schools and colleges were closed and employees were encouraged to work from home as rains began to pour down on Monday. Thousands of people have been evacuated from coastal areas and officials have set up 5,000 relief camps for them on higher ground. Cyclone Mичуанг was a severe cyclonic storm Monday in the southwest Bay of Bengal, moving north-northwest toward the coast at about 9 miles per hour. India's National Weather Office warned the storm would make landfall Tuesday in the coastal state of Andhra-Pradeš with sustained winds of up to 62 miles per hour and gusts near 70 degrees. More than 7,000 people have been evacuated from 8 coastal districts in the state. The warm waters of the Bay of Bengal have spawned several deadly cyclones in the past few years, causing massive destruction in both India and Bangladesh.
لا
In 2020, Cyclone Amphan killed at least 80 people in India and left thousands homeless. In 2019, Cyclone Fani claimed at least 89 lives and displaced millions in Odisha, another Indian coastal state.
School.
In 1999, a supercyclone killed about 10,000 people when it made landfall in Odisha. Scientists have linked the increasing frequency and intensity of cyclones in the Bay of Bengal to global warming. The Indian Ocean is warming, and we know that warm ocean water is the first and perhaps the main ingredient in the formation of tropical cyclones, said Simon Wang, a climatologist at Utah State University. So this system is likely to have more storms. CBS News 2020.